Yeah, let's go in and work.
And just for an FYI, you're coming down South Pacific Ocean, just passing. You just passed over Japan a little while ago.
You want to leave that long? Yeah, I like to pull it up a little, and it'll suck it into the truss a bit. That'll probably be a lot better. How about that? Thank you, sir. Oh, you're quite welcome.
Are you still ready to the APFR?
Well, we'll see in a minute.
Looks like it.
Well, I am. I just don't like that. I don't like that tether going over my head like that, so let me get that sorted out for a minute.
Okay, copy that.
I'm going to have to go the other side completely. But if I do that, I'm going to look now. Now you're like 3.5, 4 feet. All right, let's see if it's gonna come back. Give me a minute. I'll work on that. Okay. Your safety tether may clear above those antennas from where it is. Well, we'll take a look. You know what? It's better though if I just drop this spare lead right here. I think it'll be a lot cleaner.
The International Space Station is currently flying 260 miles across the west coast of France.
That's just a suggestion. You have some room there, and you can actually get close to where you're trying to work. And we think you're in a better position now than you were, so you feel free to try this. And you got your right hand right there, so you might be able to apply a bit more force. And one other option is just spin 180 out and kind of wedge yourself down in there and get up close.
The Weta has been temporarily stowed with tethers so that Wiseman can apply force and working in tandem with Butch Wilmore to try to secure the camera stanchion.
Okay, guys, outstanding work. We're at about 5:49 PET. What we're thinking is having Butch carry the ORU bag back and having Reed go back and pick up his crew lock bag and head on back to the airlock. We are ready to declare victory.